Hello everyone, welcome to the Info 6090 Assignment 1 presentation. This is Team Online 10. I am Peng Tang, the presenter on behalf of our team. In this presentation, we are going to briefly report the process on how we deal with the data provided by BIA Business Manager, what outcome we've been made to propose the winners of the award, who the winners are, and some recommendations for this retail business. As we can see from this table, the raw data provided is a sales records of year 2019 that contains 16 columns and 13,865 rows of content ordered by sale date. And our team started the job by using the ETL approach to extract the data, transform it into the correct format, and then load the data we need to analyze the result regarding the fact data. And a data mart is being built with star schema style. It is simple to understand and user-friendly. We've also created an entity relationship diagram. As you may see, there are 4-dimension tables and a fact table. This is one of the scripts for calculating the result of best sellers. In the case, we'd like to introduce the method of how to calculate the average transaction value, as known as ATV, which is the key measures of KPI for retailing business. The average transaction value is equivalent to the total amount of sales divided by total number of the receipt. As we can see at the right top corner, the ATV of this year for Newcastle office branch is $604.60 after rounded up. From this chart, we can clearly see that the ATV is led by customer 14, Nora Brooks. This guy is the winner of average transaction value with his performance $688.63. This one is the ranking of sales revenue among all staff. As we can see, the staff number 3, Amber Hill, is the winner of top revenue seller. Okay, this one, the average basket size per customer. It is another useful measurement for retailing business. It indicates the quantity of purchasing by each customer within a single transaction. So the more quantity the customer buying, the higher stock rotation will appear. It is also a method for getting staff motivated. There is a gray dashed line called annual average. It is the average figure of how many pieces one customer purchased in one transaction. And there are only 9 staff beyond the average. This award indicates who sold most quantity to each one of customers served. So the best staff is Joseph Reed, as highest as 34.16 pieces, or we should say item quantities. So to measure the staff who is best quantity sales performer, here is a double check process called the performer ranking of quantity sales. As customers sometimes may have large quantity purchasing for group or enterprise purpose. So from this chart, we can see that staff number 2, Joseph Reed, sold 4,475 items during this year. And this guy was really the guy who did an amazing job on quantity sales. All right, these are all the best performer we have nominated. Lastly, we would like to propose some recommendations. So our recommendations for this retailing business and for the business manager is to consider about the strategy and action plan for boosting sales and motivating employees. Once the target being set, use this database tools to run the sales data by weekly, monthly, or even quarterly, so managers can easily see a lot of information. For example, like the best selling product, the best seller, or even you can see the sellers with poor performance, so that some management action can be effectively reassigned. Then the sales performance can be performed regarding the sales data result. And also just beware of the data accuracy when you import the data into the database. Alrighty, that's all. Thank you very much, guys.